93 Mortimer Street is a carefully restored Grade II listed building in London's Fitzrovia district, demonstrating a thoughtful and conservation-led approach to sustainability. Commissioned as part of the building's wider restoration, 3V Architectural Hardware were tasked with rescuing, restoring, and reinstating original window ironmongery that had previously been removed and stored together without identification. More than 70 original fittings were individually assessed, repaired, and returned to their correct locations, preserving historic character while reducing unnecessary replacement and embodied carbon. Where new hardware was required, finishes and forms were selected to complement the building's original detailing and maintain consistency throughout the scheme. The project demonstrates how restoration, reuse, and craftsmanship can work together to deliver a genuinely sustainable ironmongery specification.